Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Suresh Studio. Welcome back to Linux season. Today we will discuss about user management. In user management, how many types of users is there, and what is the user configuration files, and how to create a user, and how to delete a user, and how we can change the attributes of the user and all. We can learn it. It's connected. In Linux, we have three types of users. Is there three types of users? One is super users. Super user means it's a root users like administrator in Windows. Second one is system user. Sorry. Third one is normal user. System users are created by the software or applications. For example, if you install the Apache software in your server, that Apache user will create it. Okay, these are these kinds of the users known as the system users. Normal users means created by the root users, means like names as per based on the client requirements and all we can create the users. And every user in Linux we have a UID is there, means user ID, unique user ID. Okay, while creating the user, that unique user ID will generate it, and the username and UIDs are stored in /etc and /passwords. UID and username stored in /etc/password, and passwords, users passwords stores in /etc/shadow file. That password is in encrypted mode only. Okay, and while creating the user, one home directory will create it automatically. Okay, some hidden files also will create it. Hidden files means .bash logout, bash profile, and bash rc. Okay, these all are the hidden files. Let's experience it. First, user configuration files. Where is the user configuration files? Means it is in /etc password. Let's open the /etc password file. See here, these all are the users. This is the root user. Yes, see root user. This is the username. This is the password link. This is the UID. This is the group ID. This is the comment. This is the home path. This is the respective shell. Okay. Super users UID is 0. System users UID range is 1 to 999. Normal users UID 1000 to 60,000. Okay, in a single directory we can create a 60,000 users. Okay, and another one is there, passwords file cat /etc/shadow file. See here, root password. So this is the username. This is the encrypted password. This is the encrypted password. Okay, the password is stored in encrypted passwords only. This is the days since the password change, days after the password change, days before password expire, days how many days should be warn the password, warn you to change the password. That is the one. Next to these two field, this is the one reserved field, this is the one unused field. Now we can try to create a user add command. creating a user with useradd command. Useradd Linux. I am creating the Linux user with useradd command. Let's see. See, this user is created or not. We can check it in /etc/password file. See here, Linux user is created. This password root link UID is 1000. We can discuss, right? UID for normal user starting from 1000 to 60,000. So UID is 1000, group ID is 1000. /home/Linux means /home is the default directory for the normal users. After that, it will create a one directory in that all user related files stored in /home/Linux path. This is the shells. Okay, you can check it cat /etc/shadow file. See here, Linux is there. These all are the file, these attributes. Okay, if you want to show the UID GID of that user, just give ID username. See, UID GID groups. Okay, or else we can check it getent password Linux. See, directly we can get it. This user is there or not, we can check it in three ways. One is users info, one is ID username, next one cat/etc/password, next one getent password username. Okay, yeah, now we can create the password for the user. For that, password that user, you can give new password. Okay, see here, all authentication tokens updated successfully, means the password configuration to that user is done. Okay, let's see in /etc/shadow file that encrypted password will generated here. See, for Linux user, encrypted password is created. Okay, if you want to log into that user, it's sudo su -Linux. See, it's changed. User is changed. Okay, if you want to directly jump to the root user, just give su -. It's asking for password. Yes, see, it's logged into the root user. Okay, got it. Now how to create a user and how to set the password for the user, then how to delete a user. Now userdel Linux. See, user is deleted. We can check it. ID Linux. See, no such user is there, and we can check it in cat/etc password file. See, that Linux user details is not there. But if you delete like this, that home directory, path and mail files all there in the server. For that, cd/home cd Linux. See, this file and this path is there, means home path still there. After deleting the user, that home path is still there. For that, you can delete userdel -r. We can user Linux doesn't exist. If you use -r, it will delete the home path, mail files as well. Okay, we can check it. Useradd, clear it. Useradd test user I am creating. Yeah, user is created. Let's check it. cd/home/test. Okay, this path is there, means we created the user. That home path is automatically created. Now we can delete with -r test user. See, it's deleted. Let's try to enter. See here, no such file directory are there. Okay, if you no need that that user mails and files and all under the home path, you can delete use userdel -r. Okay, I can create the useradd test. Okay, if you want to modify the UID of the particular user, for for that user mode is the command. Okay, first we can check it. The UID of the test user, cat/etc/password. See, for test user 1000 is there. Okay, if you want to change the UID of this user, for this user mode -u UID, I can give 221122 to test user. See, now we can check it. See, it's changed. UID is changed. If you want to change the GID as well, for this user mode -g 1122 to test user. But see here, group 1122 does not exist. Okay, if you want to see the groups, cat/etc/group. Okay, this is the groups. I can add to the test user to 996. User mode -g 996 to test user. Okay, now cat/etc/password. See, it's changed to 996. Means this test user under this group CHRO1. Okay, now we can change it to again 2000 chmod -g 1000 to test user. See, it's changing. Cannot access 1000. No such file directory. chmod test. No new permissions are not okay. Permission denied. It's saying permission denied. Okay, like that we can change the GID UID of the user. Or else let's check it with capital G. No. If you want to change the cell to the user, means this one /bin/bash. For that user mode -s -f/bin/sbin, whatever you want, you can change that shell user. Useradd Linux. See here, I am trying to add the same user, mean that home directory already exists, not copying any file exists. So it's not allowing to add the same user. Okay, testing. If you want to change the username or rename the username, user chmod chmod -l new name. What name you need to change it? New old name. Which username you want to change it? -l new testing. Sorry, not chmod. I mean that one. User mode. Sorry. -l new testing. Okay. See, it's changed. ID new. See, testing user UID GID groups. If you want to log the user, okay, you have a request to log this user some days like that. For this, user mode capital L username test. How to know the user is logged or not? Okay, in cat/etc shadow file we can check it that user is logged or not. See here, if the exclamatory symbol is there, that user is logged. If the exclamatory symbol is there, that user is logged. Okay, I can unlock it. User mode capital U test user. Okay, it's saying the test user don't have password, so can't unlock this user and all. Yeah, all tokens authenticated. Now we can check it to unlock user mode U test. Yeah, see, now it's unlocked. See here, see that caution symbol is not there. For this, if you I can unlock it again. User mode L test. See, you can observe if the exclamatory symbol is there, that user is in logged. Okay, if you want to unlock user mode U test, we can lock using the password command as well. Password L test. See here, locking password for user test, password success. We can check it in slash. See here, if you observe two exclamatory marks is there. Yeah, if you lock the password using the password command, two exclamatory marks will generate here. Okay, then password L no to unlock, right, test. See here, unlocking password for user test success. If you want to check the password expiry information or attributes of the user, just change -l test. It will show last password when the change December 4th. Password expires never. Password inactive never. Account expires never. Number of days warning before password expires 7 days. Maximum number of days between the password change 999 sorry 999999. Okay, if you want to change these attributes, W, if you give W, okay, to 10 to test user. Now we can check it. The warning date change it to 10 days. W means warning days. Okay, if you want to change the minimum number of days for this password change, just give small m, 90 days I can small m, 90 days test user. See here, 90 days. Before it's a 0, now it's 90 days. Okay, if you want to change the expiry date of the user, change hyphen capital E 2024 0101, okay, to test. See here, January, it will, this account will expire on January 1st 2024. Okay, to set the new password upon the first login means while creating the new user, we can give the default password to the user. For that user, after login the first user with the default password, he need to change the password. For that, hyphen d 0 to test. This is the command. See here, it's changed. Password expires, password inactive, account expires. Last password change, password must be changed, password expires must be changed, password inactive must be changed. Means while logging the first login, that user must change the password. This is the user management. Types of users: root user, system users, normal users. User configuration files means /etc/password for ID and usernames. For passwords and all, /etc/shadow files. Creating a user add command, deleting a userdel command, and userdel -r command to delete the home directory mail files as well. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.